Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and this video is for those of you that have the Pit Boss Smoke IT controller, the one that switches out with the Pro Series. Probably doesn't happen with the new ones, but it might. So what I'm going to see here is sometimes whenever I go to use my Smoke IT app on my phone, it just will not connect. So what I'm going to do is power on my Pit Boss right now. I do not have anything on here. Okay, it's powered on. And you'll see my Smoke IT app has nothing on it. So I'm going to go back to it, see if I can get it to connect. Okay, there's nothing on it. So how do you fix that? I can't connect to the internet if it doesn't come up here on my screen. So what I do is this. I just started it, so I'm going to shut it off. It's going to take the fans a little while, and I'm going to unplug it. This has worked in the past, kind of like having to reboot your computer. So I unplug it, let it go for, I don't know, 10 or 15 seconds. I'll go ahead and plug it back in. Okay. I'm going to turn the Pit Boss on. I'm going to open up my Smoke IT app. And look, there it is right there. You see that? So now I'm connected. Look at that. That's how I figured it out. So if you're having troubles connecting with the Smoke IT from Pit Boss, I'm telling you, this is what I have to do probably almost every time I come out to turn it on. It's probably not right. I'm going to turn this back off. It probably shouldn't have to do that every time, but you know, hey, you got to do what you got to do. If you don't use your pellet grill all the time, if you only use it every couple of weeks, it's going to happen. Well, mine does. Mine will even do it after a week or so. So anyway, that's how you connect your Wi-Fi to the Smoke IT, or my way that I've found that it works anyway. So next time you can't connect, give that a try. It's like rebooting a computer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.